24/7 is a new sustainability pledge that's really being driven by a lot of the corporate sector that is saying we're going to move away from the current model of purchasing renewable energy credits that can really come from anywhere. What 24/7 looks to do is really to take temporal and location-based information into account. So rather than being a company that's just going to purchase Texas wind RECs and settle them on behalf of load or consumption in New York or California, it's going to say that I want to purchase renewable energy every hour in the same grid where I'm actually consuming that energy. There's an element here of farm-to-table electrons, if you will, right? That you're not shipping it out from somewhere that's completely distant away from where you're actually sitting at the table, but that there is a localization of that energy. Furthermore, it's about the deliverability, so that it's not just about the consumption, but that you're actually able to show that it's delivering to the specific zone or grid where I'm ultimately consuming that same energy.
Since Google set our 24/7 carbon-free energy goal, we've been very encouraged by the uptake that we've been seeing across the marketplace. We've seen cities like the city of Des Moines, for example, set carbon-free energy goals for 24/7. We've seen other companies like Iron Mountain set 24/7 goals. We've even seen the federal government, which is the world's largest electricity purchaser, set a 24/7 goal for itself.